Good day everybody, USADOS here from busyman.kr. Today we have SANTAFE 2008 engine, diesel engine, 2200cc, sunroof. It's in a very good condition. Let's take a look at this beauty. .360 view. Let's check the doors of this car. Let's take a look at the condition here. It's very clean. The back door is also very clean. Check this out. The wheel is also in a very good condition. Now let's take a look inside the car. Alright, now we are inside the car. Let's start the engine. Okay. See, the RPM is going very smoothly. There's no problem in this car. Let's try to accelerate. Wow. From the sound of the car you can know it's very clean. In a very nice condition. Let's check the audio. Okay, the audio works really good. Let's try the aircon. The wind is blowing very strong from all sides. Change the mood. Perfect. Let's show the interior of the car then. Sunroof button. Let's have a look at the engine. If you can hear the sound, it sounds very smooth. Can't shake the edges, there's no cutting at all. clean.
Esta es busyman.kr, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo deseen. Suscríbete, dale a me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.